bai ule tunlai chu hei Donald Trump chanchin karon soi kha to khop maya tunchuma chuan karon soi lenga hei chanchin thar lian tham tak mai awma ice agent te chungchanga te khan kanan soi nual to amalang na hi kong tam taka thil tha tak tak le ke ma mi bal tak po ka support tak tak te awma rama mangai na chungchanga te tin amalak dana support lo tam tak te po ka nei bokani te kha kan soi tel le shim bok du ti chuan Donald Trump hi in ri ni zan khan hotel pakhata ka hlum tum ni nge ya hriatin be ania a omna a program nei na hmuna secret service ten an hualna kara selai me po ania silai rig rol hian rang takin secret service ten an chale ngalatin vice president tele president Donald Trump te po mun him lama aranga thiar chu angal ane kim changjokin in ngai thla ho don tengo Washington Hilton hotel a chuan White House Correspondent Association ten dinner an bot saya hi indrinizan ani takna ke ni a chuan tun cholni jing lamkha ani ti chuan he hotel a hian hall pakhata dinner ei tura an thut khom lai chuan stage a Donald Trump te an thua ti chuan correspondent lamte po an thu khat hnem nu pani helai monami te soidan chuan he ballroom pon mai atang hian kongka bul mai atang hian silai voi nga zet mai aron puaka achunga mi te helai nai vaiom phei chuan zen rim kan cheng nge tin an soini ballroom kongka nai tak mai atang in silai aron puaka chuan achunga omte mipuite an bok niam hala music te poti top hala ni atin stage lama thu mi poimo te Donald Trump patele vice president tele officer poimo te rangin secret agent ten anon hual hala hun him lama anon shoi hala ni he thila hian police officer pakhat ka ania amaro chu avesin achan himani he benu hian Donald Trump hi rang takin White House lampan pui ngal ania he program hi kalzom pui turin ti chun zom le turin atia om chun zom le dinner te ti chun zom vek turin at soya amaro chu secret service lamten anrem ti to lawani ti chon White House lama a phei nuin tiang hian Twitter lama post aron siama Washington DC a secret service tele law enforcement ten naro pui takan thokani hoisen takle rang takin an che silai met pok tu pa po man ani to he thil hi he show hi kaltlang pui zel turin katia amaro chu law enforcement te kai hroina hnuaya anin thutluk nan ron siam thur thoi tura ngaila chu thutluk na chu engpo ni sela he zan hi chu kan bei sei lok lo deuh thil kan rom han lok lo thil ani dona kan ti non le te po atru lang tin pu Trump hian a soini
All right, go ahead. Kayla News of the Washington Examiner at the White House Correspondents' Center, where a shooting just happened here at the Washington Hilton. So where we were positioned at, we were sitting at this table right here having dinner, where we started to hear shots coming from outside these doors over here. It sounded what was like 4 different shots coming outside the door. It wasn't immediately clear if that was coming from security or from the person who they were after, but it was an immediate reaction where everyone hit the deck. This entire floor was just people sitting on or laying on the ground. Some people were crawling under tables to try to hide from whatever potential threat was happening. And then in the minutes and sort of like it's been like a half hour since the shooting actually happened, we saw so many different Trump administration officials who were walking into this area of the Hilton. We saw Janine Pirro, we saw Kash Patel, who was walking. None of them were accepting comments at the time because it was still such a volatile situation. No one really knew what was happening. So the reports that we're hearing now is that the suspect is down and that there is actually, everyone is safe. There's no one who was actually shot or hurt during this. According to the sources that I've spoken to, but the president is reportedly still going to come back to this event tonight as of this time. Now, we still don't know. The president isn't on stage like he was just moments before this shooting actually happened or occurred. And we still don't know if the shooting was only solely the security or if it involved the person who was here to elect.
Hey, correspondent roll kal khom ane report pon pekim changhal khom maya akap silai po na mun akap po na mun bullo ka tang reporter rum pengal maya he hian soidan ga chuan helai mura hian ti hian kan thua ti chuan helai kan omna pon mai helai lo ka tang hian silai pok ri kan sia pok nuala ti chuan tutege tunge ka pa midang nge ni security force hoin an ka chun zom le na tak chu kan thre sang lova amaro chu silai te chu ron po ka tiang khan ti chuan kan do kan hnuai te kan boka hun enge mo chen kha kan han ngai changa ti chuan darkar chan ve hnu vela helai hian mi pakhat thunei tu lam ten an man ti kan mu theya anon shroi pheya ti chuan tuna hian Donald Trump hi aron let le do nem kan ngai chang meka kan la ngak meka ni tin report a pe ne tin thi le liam anom lo thu a soibok ti chuan he silai met puk tu pa chetla hi CCTV anon release a fi an bei fi alo khop maya en trim trim teng aron tlan chak fo khop pai he silai met puak tu hi man ania an nong kira kor phelin an bo betlai thalak an thung betlai thalak te po ma amara chu kat tilangam chi lo deu kum som thum pakhat mi call Thomas Allen ni in Washington ami tho ani tin report than khatina soidan chuan hepa hian shotgun le pistol a kolani he hotel a thleng ve tho hi ni in a room te chu police ten an dap ngala thil poimo mu chhuwa thei tur ang che chi sang sang te an zong ani tichuan hepa hi man ngal ania alaka hian char sang sang te ke sang sang siam ngal ania hlom taka silai chelek le silai me puate tin federal officer ti hlum tumaka thu boi te shemna tak tok thei din huna ading mek ani tichuan he thil thlenga hian Donald Trump a program ania atwala secret service tele mi tam tak police officer tam tak te anoma mi a omna kot maya he a room tual mai a kong kapui bul mai atanga silai me puania federal agent teron ka annia he hian ngai tora ti thui khop maya Donald Trump ka hlum tum na nge nianga borok siam ve tung shim na ti po she thiam har khop maya tin social media lama phei chuan Donald Trump te lam acting apu an lem chana ni tia lo pu tok la an bo lova an cheki mangreng khop maya abenga ka ani poin lo thek son zeu wanga benga ka ani poin lem chan anga pu du to kan lo om vele zela an cheki mangreng khop ma US lam hi chu ti chuanin e thil thleng hian borok ron nei lian le hle maya Donald Trump pa omna hnai vaya tha tuma beina voi tam taka lo pal tlang to tun tuma po hian tha tumna anga ngai thei te po ani nge rin om ani hi kan soi photo thin angin Iran lama ache dante le ga khovel hun sang sang ache dante tin aram chunga nge po immigrants ho illegal immigrants ho dan lawa pem lu thowa dap chuana ice agent te a man dan chung changa po khop tu tam tak omma se ho em tu thinrim em tu alaka aril ro che tak tak pu tha du na thin lung hial pu ti mai tiang ka tiang kha mi tam takat oma em po ni sela he president hi chuan boruak anei lian em reng mai ne